Okay, what's up everyone? In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on Camtasia 2018 and 2019. So I have a simple video. So how to screenshot or take a photo from this video. Okay, if I want to screenshot on this point, okay, for example, okay, go to the share, okay, go to the share and click on export frame as, okay, export frame as, okay, and save to located that you want, okay. I save to desktop for example, okay. I put the name is ABC, okay, okay, and save. Okay, go to the desktop and you will see the image that you capture or screenshot from the Camtasia. Okay, this image. Okay,